Can you name the top 5 IT skills for 2025?
Maybe it's coding AI.
Close, but 2025 is about the top 5.
Top 5, I wanna know.
Skill number 1. Artificial intelligence, machine learning. AI jobs are growing 38% yearly. Careers in AI engineer, ML specialist, data scientist. Skill number 2. Python programming. One of the most in-demand languages across tech fields. With careers in Python development, cybersecurity analyst, automation specialist. Skill number 3. Web app development. Businesses thrive on web apps. Demand is booming. Careers in full stack developer, front-end engineer, back-end developer. Skill number 4. Digital marketing. Businesses thrive on SEO, Google Ads, and analytics for fast ROI. With careers in SEO specialist, PPC expert and digital marketer. Skill number 5. Graphics design and creative tech. Creativity plus tech is equal to high demand designers. It has careers in graphic designer, UI UX designer or brand visualizer. So these are the top 5 skills for 2025.